Hi, my name is Heidi Gondur, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself. So I'm currently living in Hastings, Minnesota with a central time zone. I went to college in Moorhead, Minnesota at Concordia College, where I got my bachelor's in elementary education, and I'm currently seeking my master's in reading education. This will be my second semester. A little bit about my professional background. After college, I was subbing for about 3 years, and then I got a long-term position at a school in Hastings in a first grade classroom. Then I became a reading intervention teacher at Hillside Elementary in Cottage Grove, where I taught for a year. And ever since then, so for the past 4 years, I've been a first grade teacher at Pullman Elementary in St. Paul Park. Some things I'm currently reading or I have just finished up reading are Culturally and Linguistically Responsive Teaching and Learning by Shiraki Hawley. It's just a little bit about how to embrace your students' culture and help them learn the school way and the home way. So it's a little bit more about like helping your students understand the difference between school and home. That book is a lot like Cornelius Miner's We Got This, but this is more so you just being who your students need you to be. A book very similar, but not very exactly the same, is Unlocking Student Potential, and that is just giving you some ideas on how you can get your students to be the best version of themselves. So that's a really quick read, and I recommend it to anybody. A couple of other books I just finished up with, or I am reading. So I just finished up with The Book Whisperer by Donalyn Miller, and right now I'm reading The Tattooist of Auschwitz by Heather Morris. So here's my family. Over here on the left is a picture of my mom and my daughter, Evelyn. The top left picture is myself and Evelyn. That's on my first day of school, and I have her dressed the same as I am, which I will probably do as long as she lets me. The middle picture is myself, my husband Bilal, and my daughter Evelyn. That's us at a Twins game. And then the top right picture is the last 4 generations picture that we took on Christmas. Myself, my mom Lisa, my grandma, and Evelyn. The bottom 2 pictures are us in Fort Myers. We always go down there every year to visit my husband while he's working at spring training. So the bottom picture in the pool is myself and Evelyn, her first time swimming, and then the other picture is my brother Darren, my mom, my cousin Morgan, who is much like a sister to me, my husband, me, and my daughter. Some expectations that I have for this class, my team and I are currently revamping our writing curriculum, and we've been focusing a lot on the writing process, so I just want to be able to bring some more strategies into that and just help our students build a little bit more excitement with their writing.